I'm Ellie Krieger. I'm a host of Healthy Appetite's cooking channel, cookbook author, registered dietitian, and I am here to launch the Breakfast Project, which is a wonderful website and campaign to improve breakfast in America, because 1 in 5 people skip breakfast, and we really need to be enjoying breakfast at home together and enjoying healthy food such as milk.
And what can you recommend for busy families? I know breakfast time is a really hard time for my family and I. What do you recommend that we make that's easy, that's nutritious?
As a mom, I completely get it that mornings can be completely hectic and crazy. One of the things I love to do is whip up a quick smoothie. Just milk, some frozen fruit, maybe a dash of honey, and you can literally put that in a to-go cup and have that on the way to work, on the way to school. I also love my breakfast cookies, which was one of my favorite recipes. And you can have cookies for breakfast if you make them this way. They have lots of whole grain